30 days from doom scroll to deliberate living, this digital detox resets sleep, mood, and focus with science, simple steps, and expert insights. What if 30 days could reset sleep, crush stress, and make mornings calm again? By week 3, people in screen reduction studies report better sleep and lower stress. But there's a catch revealed at the end. Late-night taps, endless feeds, a brain that never powers down. Screens exploit attention loops and hijack sleep chemistry, leaving restless nights and frayed nerves. It's not weakness. Apps are engineered for retention with algorithms that nudge cravings. Detox trials show benefits, but most people relapse without a plan. Late-night taps, endless feeds, a brain that never powers down. Screens exploit attention loops and hijack sleep chemistry, leaving restless nights and frayed nerves. It's not weakness. Apps are engineered for retention with algorithms that nudge cravings. Detox trials show benefits, but most people relapse without a plan. This is a 30-day blueprint to reclaim attention and sleep, with day-by-day steps, professional guidance, and relapse-proofing so gains actually last. Nadia, 29, woke 3 times a night and hit social first thing. She called it emotional vacancy when she tried to stop scrolling. Marco, 35, felt always behind. Notifications shattered focus. Evenings were news spirals and restless sleep.
Even brief bright light at night suppresses melatonin. Small exposure can destabilize sleep, while morning light anchors circadian rhythm.
Short detoxes reduce anxiety and improve perceived wellness. Expectations and boundaries determine whether benefits stick.
Week 1. Environment and awareness. Steps: baseline screen report, notification audit, home screen triage, phone out of bedroom, evening screen-free hour, app limits, and a 3-hour offline block. Week 2. Reduction to less than 2 hours day. Steps: fix social windows, morning sunlight instead of scrolling, 24-hour fast from one sticky app, longer digital Sabbath, sleep check-in. Week 3. Consolidation and substitutions. Steps: replace algorithmic feeds with intentional content, deep work sprints, an 8-hour offline day, and publish response time norms. Week 4. Maintenance and re-entry. Steps: minimalist home screen, values calendar, notification whitelist, intentional platform reintroduction, crisis plan, accountability, written operating system. Why? Trials show less than 2 hours day smartphone time improves sleep and mood within 3 weeks. Evenings without screens protect circadian rhythms. In studies, cutting to about 2 hours day for 3 weeks improved depressive symptoms, stress, sleep quality, and well-being. Benefits faded without maintenance, hence weekly Sabbaths and caps. A 2-week social media abstinence improved sleep, stress, life satisfaction, and perceived wellness. Participants reported calmer states during detox. Large reviews. Detox can reduce depressive symptoms and promote real-world engagement. Though results vary if context isn't adjusted, environment and routine changes matter.
Cravings are highest early, then subside. Most people would detox again, suggesting perceived value even when benefits are transient.
Avoid bright light during the sleep window. Use dim amber red if needed. Prioritize morning outdoor light exposure.
By week 3, Nadia's sleep felt deeper. She replaced bedtime scrolling with reading and a 10-minute stretch, and mornings felt calm. Marco set 2 30-minute social windows and a weekly 8-hour Sabbath. Stress dropped and he described being in conversations again, offline. Today's targets: total less than 120 minutes, social less than 40 minutes in 1-2 windows, 60 minutes screen-free before bed, morning light plus movement, 1 offline activity, 1 human touchpoint. Overcap: trigger the crisis plan, pause breath, put phone away, switch to an alternative activity, 24-hour timeout on the sticky app. The catch: benefits often regress when structure disappears. Weekly Sabbaths, time fences, and a written personal OS keep the gains. Like, subscribe, and share to help someone reset their digital habits. Stay mindful, stay balanced, because life happens offline too.